countries and organizations around the world, including the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, have called strongly for respect for the fundamental rights of Afghan girls and women.
In a groundbreaking move, Afghanistan's Taliban government faces multinational legal action that could land it in the UN's top court over its contempt for the rights of women and girls. At the UN, Penny Wong condemned the Taliban's oppression of women and girls, calling Germany's legal action unprecedented. The countries argue that Afghanistan is in direct violation of the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination against Women, to which it is a signatory. Under the convention, Afghanistan is now being called to negotiations, and if those talks fail, the matter could be taken to arbitration or even to the International Court of Justice. Since their return to power in 2021, the Taliban have enforced a strict interpretation of Islamic law, severely restricting the rights of women and girls. They have been barred from public spaces, including parks and universities, with the United Nations labeling these actions as gender apartheid. Actress Meryl Streep added her voice to the growing calls for change, condemning the restrictions. She said, "A squirrel has more rights than a girl in Afghanistan today."
A squirrel has more rights than a girl in Afghanistan today because the public parks have been closed to women and girls by the Taliban. A bird may sing in Kabul, but a girl may not, and a woman may not in public. This is extraordinary. This is a suppression of the natural law. This is odd.
Over 20 nations have already expressed their support for the legal action, decrying what they describe as the ongoing gross and systematic violations of the International Convention aimed at ending discrimination against women. Bureau Report, NewsX.